Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Redshift data sharing with IAM roles, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Redshift data sharing with IAM roles, begin by accessing the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift dashboard. Select the cluster where data sharing will be configured. Ensure the cluster is in a VPC and has data sharing enabled in its properties. Go to the Clusters section and identify the cluster. Open the cluster details and confirm the IAM role is associated with the Redshift cluster. If the IAM role is not attached, create a new IAM role in the IAM Management Console. Grant the necessary permissions to the IAM role, specifically the ability to access the shared data. Return to the Amazon Redshift dashboard and select the Data Sharing option in the navigation pane. Create a new data share by clicking the Create Data Share button. Provide a unique name for the new data share. Specify the database objects you want to share, such as schemas or tables. Add any necessary consumers by selecting the appropriate clusters or Amazon accounts. Review the configurations, ensuring all settings are correct. Click the Create button to finalize the data share setup. Now, switch to the cluster that will receive the shared data. Access the Redshift console on the consumer cluster. Go to the Data Shares section. Find the available data share from the provider. After locating the data share, click to accept it. Once accepted, the shared data will be accessible from the consumer cluster. Verify the data sharing by running queries on the shared data. Ensure that the IAM roles have the correct permissions for both the provider and consumer clusters. Test the entire setup with sample queries to confirm everything is functioning as intended. Once testing is complete, regularly monitor and manage your data sharing setup as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.